Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the payment method and inserting coins, swiping card, or launching the app. This activates the bay immediately. Next, select the rinse cycle and aim the wand to clear loose debris. This prevents swirl marks when you scrub. Once done, pick a soap or pre-soak program based on how dirty the car is. Heavier soils need pre-soak. Make sure to monitor time and available funds so you can change cycles without interruption. You apply soap starting at the roof and working downward because gravity moves dirt off panels. This protects paint. Then grab the supplied brush or your soft mitt and scrub with controlled, circular strokes. Concentrate on wheel wells, rocker panels, and bumpers where grime builds up. Rinse each section right after scrubbing to prevent detergent drying on the surface. Make sure to keep the wand moving and at an angle so high-pressure water lifts residue away instead of pushing it into seams. You finish by blow-drying with the high-powered dryer or using microfiber towels. Always dry from roof to lower panels to avoid dragging grit back across paint. If available, run a wax or sealant cycle to lock and shine and reduce water spotting. Finally, check seams and glass, open doors or trunk to clear trapped water. If you see streaks or mineral spots, re-rinse the affected area and squeegee or repeat the soap cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.